Hello and welcome. So you're here. We're going to do series 2, episode 2, whatever, episode 2 of the Suzuki X90. Charlie and myself have been beavering away and making progress. It's good. So let's get to it. So definitely one cylinder then, new pads.
Yeah. And it kind of stands, so it might end up being strip it down, just replace the seal.
It depends what's available.
Yeah. If it's just a standard O-ring, then it's got hundreds.
Survive?
Yep.
Sometimes every bolt you take off is a mini restoration project in itself. Not all the clips survived coming off. We'll make some.
Cleaning up or replacing a lot of these?
I normally clean them up actually.
Yeah.
As long as the seats are okay.
Yeah.
If not, pops as loads.
That's right.
See, that better?
The clamp's certainly doing its job.
No, heat. There we go. Just look at the shiny pipe. And nice clips.
Gets out of this to try and pick up straight across, or when you get the pipe on, it might be too much. As I was saying about potentially cutting it even further back and just relying on the flex.
Right, let's have a look at everything and make a decision. Fuel pipe cleaned up, fresh Jubilees. Ta-da! Just tighten up a bracket while we've still got access. Wire brushed and VHT'd. So here we are, back at it again. So after yesterday working at least an hour into pitch black on the 10-15 minute job of just putting the petrol tank back in, we were just fighting Jubilee clips at the very top of the tank and the pipe work that you saw going on. Charlie is diligently putting the chassis to tub bolts back on, and then we're going to come back round to fitting the mud guard protecting the fuel neck, which we'll see in a minute. That's going to be a great 5-minute job.
I don't think you get a grinder in on because the angle's really
Or is that nut and bolt then?
That'd be nut and bolt.
That's fine.
One up top is on a U bracket.
So that's nut and bolt then.
Yeah. I don't think the bracket hangs down low enough. In the U shape, it's too close to the car.
And the other hole's covered up by a plate we've put on.
Yeah, so the other hole's not there, so.
This 5-minute job's going great.
Yep. As with all of them.
I would have even put this as a 3-minute job, so it puts it even better.
Oh yeah, about a minute a bolt. Yeah, I have no idea what's at the top because it's filled with guns. Like slush, when I pressed into it, I can feel it
Really? I thought I cleared most of it out. Oh.
Well, I think it got put on and just black with under seal.
Ha ha ha. Oh, right, when it's made. Right,
Yeah, I
okay.
don't think it sprayed up there. Either way.
Okay, the shit/heat shield guard's going to be a bit of a pain in the butt. Cool. Yeah, you're going to get it right through the hole and then try to push that bracket right up at the same time.
Yeah, so PRT through the weld.
Yeah, do we need to pre-bend the bracket to allow it to sit clean? Oh. Yeah, go for it. Release. Go again. Keep pushing hard though. Keep pushing firm.
You want to leave that for now so we can get the other two done?
I should be able to tighten that one up and we'll tweak the others to that. I was about to say, Charlie, that's got to be there.
Really wasn't putting that much force into it though. Yeah, it's only M6, but...
So, Charlie, what are you doing?
Taking the bumper back off.
Why are you taking the bumper back off?
I forgot to put the foam in.
Looks good though. Second time's the charm. That's better. Back on then. Making the most of the bumper being back off, re-tapping the very clagged up holes in the replacement crash bar. Then it's bumper back on. But all the bolts should go on nice and easy this time. Re-tapped holes, plenty of replacing the captive nuts with riv nuts. Might actually be on for a 5-minute job. Technologia? Cool. Crash bar readjustment. Not a proper job if you've not used a hammer.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. You know you want to.